students. So last class we did chapter number 2 till here. So today we'll start from this. After half an hour, the station master returned and asked us what we proposed to do. We said that if we could get a bullock cart on here, we would go to Koregaon, and if it was not very far, we would like to start straight away. There were many bullock carts playing for hire, but my reply to the station master that we were Maharaj had gone round among the cartmen and not one of them was prepared to suffer being pulled and to demand himself carrying passengers of the untouchable classes. We were prepared to pay double the fare, but we found that money did not work. The station master, who was negotiating on our behalf, stood silent, not knowing what to do. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar পৰা এইটো দিছে. So সিহঁতক বহুতখিনি নেগলেক্ট কৰিছে, সিহঁতৰ কাৰণে ডাবল ভাড়া লৈছে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ. So next, imagine how difficult it would be if people could not move easily from one place to another. How insulting and hurtful it is to have people move away, or refuse to touch you, or allow you to drink water from the same source as they do. Same source কথা কৈছে যিটো সিহঁতে কৰে. This small incident shows how a simple task of going from one place to another in a cart was not available to the children, even though they could pay the money. All the cartmen at the station refused to take children. To lower karne hoise. They acted in a discriminatory manner. Discriminatory mane হিংসা কৰাৰ ধৰণৰ. So clearly as this history shows us, caste-based discrimination is not only limited to preventing the Dalits from undertaking certain economic activities, but it also denies them the respect and dignity given to others. So ইয়াতে কি কৈছে, respect and dignity নোহোৱা হৈ গৈছিল. Striving for equality. The struggle for freedom from British rule also included within it the struggle of a large group of people who not only fought against the British but also fought to treated more equally. Equally fought বুলি কৈছে. Dalits, women, tribes and peasants fought against the inequality. ওপৰত সিহঁতে কাজিয়া কৰিছিল. They experienced in their lives, আৰু সিহঁতে সেনেকৈ থাকিছিল. Experience in their lives. As pointed out earlier, many Dalits organized themselves to gain entry into temples. Women demanded that they should have as much a right to education as men did. আৰু সিহঁতে right to education কৰিছিল বুলি কৈছে. Peasants and tribals fought to realize themselves from the grasp of the money lender and the high interest they were charged. আৰু সিহঁতে বহুত পইচা চাৰ্জ কৰিছিল বুলি কৈছে মানি লেনদেন. When India became a nation in 1947, our leaders too were concerned about the different kinds of inequalities that existed. Those who wrote the Constitution of India, a document that laid out the rulers by which the nation would function, were aware of the ways in which discrimination had been practiced in our society and how people had struggled against this. Many leaders of this struggle, such as Dr. Ambedkar, had also fought for the rights of the Dalits. So আমাৰ কি কৈছে Dalits, so যাতে আমাৰ কোনো সেই নহয় হিংসা নহয়, আমাৰ কোনো ধৰণৰ যাতে কাজিয়া ভেজাল নহয়, কাম চাম যাতে কোনো কি কৰিব নোৱাৰে, কম বেছি হ'ব নোৱাৰে ন, so এইটোৰ ওপৰত গুৰুত্ব দিছিল, সকলো যে ইকুৱেল হয়. So these leaders get out a vision and goals in the constitution to ensure that all the people of India were considered equal. This equality of all persons is seen as the key value that unites us all as Indians. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Untouchability is seen as a crime. আৰু সকলো কি হয় মানুহ সমান, আৰু যি untouchability হয় এইবিলাক কি হয় crime বুলি কৈছে, and has been legally abolished by law. People are free to choose the kind of work they wish to do. Government jobs are open to all people. সকলো কাৰণে government job আছে. In addition, the constitution also places responsibility to the government to take specific steps to realize these rights to equality for poor and such marginal documents. The rights of the constitution also said that respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring equality. They felt that people must have the freedom to follow their religion. মানুহ কি কৰিব লাগে, সিহঁতৰ ধৰ্মটো সদায় মানি চলিব লাগে, speak their language, celebrate their festivals and express themselves freely. They said that no one language, religion or festival should become compulsory for all to follow. They said that the government must treat all religious equally. সকলো ধৰ্ম সমান বুলি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে কৈছিল. Therefore, India became a secular country where people of different religions and faiths have the freedom to practice and follow their religion without any fear of discrimination. This is seen as an important element of our unity, that we all live together and respect one another. Though these ideals are enshrined in our constitution, this chapter points out that inequalities exist even today. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for and not something which will happen automatically. People struggle and positive action by the government are necessary to make this a reality for all Indians. So সকলো কি হয় সমান, সকলো কি হয় তাই ইণ্ডিয়ান বুলি কৈছে.